Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this for gradient text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in the word color and I am going to select a font and just select a font here. I can just find one that's really cute. I missed it. I'm just going to use this, that's fine. Then I'm going to kind of select a style or just a color. I'm just going to select a color for this one. I'm going to select this yellow color, and then here I'm going to select the orange one. Copy and paste that. The red one, and I'm going to do green. Right click, create compound clip separately. And then on this one, I'm going to go to mask and I'm going to select the mirror. Actually, I'm going to select the rectangle one and I'm going to kind of divide them into 4 pieces. So here I'm going to get another rectangle one. It doesn't have to be the exact same thing. You can choose it randomly. I think this isn't high enough, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Then here. And you're just going to basically feather this out to kind of blend it in a little bit more. And yeah, that is pretty much it, really. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!